Hello ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rashad from Technician and this tutorial will be on unit testing in Java, for which we'll be using JUnit testing framework. Well, I will not go in detail of what unit testing is, I'm sure you already know that, but well, it's testing the functions, the methods that you write, and to make sure it gives the output that it is expected to. So to do that, we will write a super simple method that receives two integers and return the addition of them, and then go ahead and test them. So for writing a addition method, I'll call it returns int, and I call add, which receives two integers, a and b, and returns addition of them. So super simple as that. So to make a unit test for them, for this function, you could, if you're using IntelliJ, you could just go ahead and press Shift Command T and create new test. You could name it anything, and you choose which method you're testing. In this case, add. Go ahead. This creates for you, but I'm gonna go ahead and delete this and take the long way, creating ourselves to learn something, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and create a class. Make sure that it's in the same directory as the class you're testing. In my case, it's add addition is. So create new class. I'm gonna go ahead and name it unit testing. There you go. Each test starts with a decorator called test. So there you go. And next thing is we're gonna create a class, a method, sorry, that tests our add function. So this method could be public and it returns nothing, so void, and I'm gonna name it add, but you make sure that this name is descriptive as possible. Yeah, next thing is, well, I'm testing this add method, which is an add class, so I'm gonna have to go ahead and create an instance of it to later use it, right? So add, I'm gonna name it calculation. There you go. And then we're going to be using assert, which is a built-in method for testing, equals assert equals. Well, as expected, it's giving us error because we didn't import it yet. We're gonna have to import it. Import static Jupyter JUnit Jupyter API assert and all assertions. Now it's not giving us error. Well, assert equals is it compares the result of this add method. It compares this one with the one which is expected. If, for example, I'm giving 4, it compares with the result of this calculation, this add. There you go. It's comparing this method, this add method, the result of this add method, with the one that we provide them for in this case. If it's equal, then it gives us a bluish tick mark, which marks that it's correct. else it will give us an error message. In this case, I'm giving it 2.2 and 2, which is 4. The expected value is 4, and we'll go ahead and see it if it gives it as a 4. Wait for it. Yes, there you go. It gives a blue tick mark, which is expected. 2 plus 2 is a 4. If, for example, we give it 3, 3 plus 2 is 5, it's not 4, it have to give us an error message. And there you go. It says that we are expecting a 4, right? And the actual result is 5, which is 2 plus 3 is 5. It's not 4. So the method is not right. The method is right, but we are giving 2 plus 2. There you go, guys. This is one way to use assert. And there are other methods, assert equals, assert boolean, and others that we could cover in the next video. Until then, hasta la vista.